If you guys like how I do my chart analysis on YouTube and you want to learn how to do it yourself, click the link below to check out the Vee Trades technical analysis course. What's up traders, this is Vee Trades, and today I'll be doing a technical analysis breakdown for US Global Jets ETF with the ticker symbol JETS. This was a viewer's request, and thank you for your donation. If you want a chart analysis guaranteed to be done, please read the description below. Also take a second to give the video a like and subscribe for more chart analysis. I appreciate it very much. This video is for entertainment purposes only. It does not constitute any financial advice. I will first go over what I see in the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. So looks like this ETF probably tracks all the US airline companies such as American Airlines, United Airlines, maybe even Alaskan Airlines. So I'm pretty sure that's what this ETF tracks, but don't quote me on that. So let's take a look at the daily chart for this ETF. Looks like there was a downtrend, and then we started going sideways before resuming the trend. I'll show you guys that right now with the channel tool. So it looks like this was the range that prices were stuck inside of before breaking down with the trend. So this looks like the range that prices were respecting. You can see how flat the EMA is and how it's acting kind of like a roller coaster. And then now this blue line is kind of pointing down now. So looks like the trend has resumed. So that's why I'm expecting lower prices. So this is the channel that prices are respecting now. So since we're at the lower side of the channel, we could get a pullback, maybe something like this, probably back all the way up to this breakout level, which is right around that 1868 point. So that's where we could pull back to. There was a measured move that was almost reached but not quite. You can see this was a second leg down, and this target was right around the 1532 level, and we reached right around the 1592. So that could be close enough for this bounce, since we are at the support side of the channel. So if we don't get that bounce, I think maybe prices will probably reach that measured move first, or maybe even the high 14s before seeing a pullback. But a pullback is due. I don't think the market is going to be this aggressive for this long before seeing some type of retracement back up. Now, do I see a bottom on this chart, or do I see much lower prices? Well, I actually see much lower prices. I'm looking for a target right around the $14 level, because that would be the measured move breakout of this range. I'm not saying we're going to get there tomorrow. I'm not saying that we're going to get there next month. It could take a while, or it could be very quickly. I'm just not sure. This just tells me that, hey, there's a good chance probably going to reach that $14 level one day. Just don't know when. Most likely it's going to be within the next couple of months, just based on how strong this trend is. So I would be expecting just lower prices. I don't see anything bullish on this chart, and we've been going down for quite a long time. Looks like since March of this year. So again, that's multiple months that we're going down, and there's still a lot of potential left to the downside. So that's everything I see in the daily chart. We can go wrap this up on the weekly chart. And here we have the weekly chart for Jets. You can see that this was a large crash back here in 2020. Price action found support right around the $11 and $12 level before seeing a bounce up to come back and retest this breakout point. Prices found this resistance at that $28 breakout point, and we cannot go up much higher because he was acting as support in the past. We broke through it, came back up to find resistance. We sold off, and we've been selling off ever since we made that test of the $28 level. So we've been working down inside of this channel. This is a very respectable channel. You can see that prices have been bouncing back and forth inside of this like a pinball. You can see this was the third test right here. This was the fourth test. You can see that every time we come back up to this channel, it sends prices down. However, you can see that every time prices come back down to the channel, it goes up towards the channel. So up into the channel. So we got a bounce here, we got a bounce there, and look what we got again. We're back at the same point, just like in the past. So what should we get? Textbook says we get a pullback up to the channel, which is right around that $20 level. But I mean, this is a very repeating pattern, so it's not gonna work all the time. So what can happen this time is maybe we break the channel on the top side. Even if we do break the channel, I'm still expecting a retest of the lows. unless we find some strong support at this. Let's see, we're currently trading at right around this 1680 level. There's some strong support here in the past, but that doesn't mean it's going to be reversing prices. So I'm still expecting probably lower price targets like I showed you guys on the daily chart. Now, if we don't bounce from here like we did in the past, then most likely we're just going to be probably in a bigger channel. And the bottom of this channel now is right around that $12 level. So I'll be expecting lower prices. I don't know how they're going to move this market down. They're probably going to start coming out with some bad news about airlines. But as you can see, we've been going down since March of this year. It's a pretty strong channel trend. You see that we barely get above the EMA on the weekly chart and we get rejected back down. I think they probably want to come back and fill in this gap right here. There's a huge empty space on the chart, just like how there's an empty space right here. Let me go ahead and clear all this. So you can see how they filled in this empty space right here, because now we're kind of trading over here. So there's another empty space right here, which is a gap, and no prices have filled it yet. So it looks like they want to come lower, fill in this gap, maybe even surpass it to come back to this double bottom again. But things aren't looking good. I don't think this is a bullish chart. I think this is still a bearish chart, and I'll be looking for lower price targets. Thank you for stopping by and checking out my video. Make sure to check out the rest of the channel since might be surprised what you can learn. Leave a comment down below on where you think prices are headed. Also share the video if you want your friends to learn about the markets. Lastly, I appreciate any feedback to help improve the channel since I want to deliver great content to you guys. See you next time, and bye.